It's been damn cold, so I haven't really been doing much, but it doesn't look like it's going to get any warmer the next few days, so just kind of in suck it up mode. Staying inside is driving me nuts. So first up, Santa brought me this light, so I'm going to mount it. He's got done eating dinner, poor Pops feels like he's about to be on his deathbed, so even more motivation to stay out here. Next project is I want to make it a little fire barrel, just for like a patio or whatever. I was going to use this, but the bottom's already about rusted out completely, so scrap that. I'm going to use this one instead. So just using materials I have on hand, and the footprint of these casters is a little larger than I thought it was. This isn't going to be a proper mounting. I think I'm just going to maybe plug weld them. I haven't really decided yet. We're up to the welding point, but it's getting ridiculously cold out here, so I'm going to call it for tonight at least. Yeah, it's freaking cold. I just cut that on the wrong side. That's supposed to be here. Good job, Corey. Ooh. Yeah. This is just the right song at the right time. I kind of forgot to record the last couple things. I'm just building the grate, but I'm using what I have. It's too cold to go to the store, so I'm using angle iron and then a far from true piece of round stock. Makes me think of Darth Vader with his face off. Always pays to be prepared. And we're back. Oh, fuck. Honestly, I just kind of lost interest in this project a while ago, so I just started cutting and slapping shit together without even measuring. There she is. Level like store-bought. Fucking right. I'll put some more work into it later, but for today, I'm done. I just want to get to a point where I can actually start a fire. Let's get burning. Welcome to St. Louis. It's too cold out here for this stupid shit. Gasket on the lid too, so I'm sure it's going to be burning off. And this thing has been our trash can in the shop for a long time, so Sure, it'll be smelling awesome and non-toxic. Got some nice airflow. Jeez. No, you know what? It was the alcohol was burning off from all my shop rags. God damn. My being a wheelchair fucking made me forget how to goddamn weld.